Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the EanOruus Juicer Machine. Now, when you first open it out of the box, there's a lot of different components, but don't feel overwhelmed. The way that I like assembling this is from a top to bottom. So, of course, you'll have the actual motor machine itself. Next comes the juicer container. So do make sure that the spout for the pulp is locked. And then you have the spout for the juice. And then the next component is what I like to call the strainer. So this right here is the juice strainer, and you kind of want to keep twisting it until it locks into place. So again, just place it down, turn it until it locks into place, and it should automatically lock. Next, you have this piece. Similar to the strainer, I call this like the presser. You're going to place it inside and then turn it until it locks into place again. So now you have three components down. The last piece or component is this portion. So the way this works is I like to align it where there's a triangle, I believe, over here. So the triangle over there on the front, this should match with this. Okay, so that's how you know the orientation. And then you're going to go ahead and turn it so that it locks. And then it's locked, so this matches with this. So now we have the machine assembled. There's other components. You have the pulp cup, you have the juice cup. You have this portion here, which is used to kind of force fruits and vegetables down the chute, and you have a cleaning brush, and then you also have the sorbet strainer as well. Now, if we go ahead and plug it in, once it's plugged in, you can go ahead and open up the latch, and we're going to use oranges for this example. We're going to place it here, and then we're going to go ahead and close it up, and then we're going to turn it on by pressing on the on button. So there's an on button for forward, and then there's also a reverse button in case you need to have it go in reverse. So just make sure everything's properly set up. So we have the cups ready, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and there you have it. You can see now that juice starts to form. Now, if you want to mix the juice while it's in there, you can close the chute and have it mix while it's in there. And as you can see there, we have pulp coming out if you want to go ahead and open up juice. And as you can see, there's nothing really up top anymore. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to use the EanOruus Juicer Machine. It's really easy to clean. I don't think it's recommended that you place this in the dishwasher, but everything could just easily be rinsed out with water, warm water, and you can soap it as well. I've had no problems cleaning it, but that's pretty much it as far as how to use it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.